Hi everyone, my name is Ashwas and today I am going to show you a quick demo of Hypersign On-Chain KYC solution. At first the dApp needs to come to this entity dashboard where they need to create their account and register their application. Once your application is registered, you have to come to the KYC budget configuration and configure all sort of uh, configuration that is needed for the budget. So for example, you can enable facial recognition, you can ask for ID documentation, you can, configure the GK proof that you want from the user. We have these three GK proofs that you can configure here. And also you can enable this on-chain KYC configuration for you to verify your user on the blockchain. For on-chain KYC configuration, you need to first go and create and deploy your configuration. So here you have to basically follow these contracts. You have to deploy the contract of issuer and your token contract. Token contract is basically your soul bond tokens that which you are going to issue. So once you deploy all these contracts to this dashboard, your configuration will be visible here, and then you have to come back to the budget configuration page and set the configuration. And that's it. Now you are ready to verify your user's identity on the blockchain. Now that we have finished our configurations, let's say we want to verify the user through our this demo tab. So we have this button embedded in our tab to initiate the KYC process. So let's start the KYC process through this budget. At first, the user has to log in and set up their wallet. The encrypted data vault is user controlled cloud storage where user will have to store all their verifiable credentials. So let's start with the liveliness check. User scans his face and then sends the data to the server. The server checks if the image is of the human being or if the user is trying to fake. Upon successful verifications, the server issues the proof personhood credential to the user. Now up next, we have this ID verification step. So here let's choose the passport as our ID document, and let's scan our passport. So here I'm using my passport. The data is captured and sent to the server where they do the following things. The server first checks if the ID document was tampered or not in the correct format. Does the OCR and extract the data and sanitize the data. So here all my data has been extracted and sanitized. After that, it goes for the facial authentication where it matches the user image in the document with the user selfie taken in the previous step. At last, it goes for the uniqueness check, basically restricting user using the same ID document with the multiple accounts. And upon successful verification, the passport credential is issued to the user. Once the ID verification finishes, we proceed to on-chain proof generation and ID minting step. So for every claims dApp asked from the user has to generate a respective zero knowledge proofs and mint their ID token. So let's go ahead and start generating our proofs. Now that our proofs have been generated, let's go ahead and mint our token. So here I'm going to use the Kepler wallet to mint my token. So let's approve this transaction. Here we are sending zero knowledge proof to the smart contract which verifies the proof and then it allows me to mint the token. So as you can see, our token has been successfully minted and we are just waiting for confirmation. Yes. We will do the same for the ZK proof of KYC as well. In the last, the user provides the consent of their data and gets verified on the dApp. Now that the user has been verified, the dApp admin can go back to the dashboard and check the status of the verification. So as you can see, all the steps have been performed, and you can also see details about the soulbound token which user has minted. These soulbound tokens can easily be queried and verified by the dApp smart contract on the blockchain. To summarize, Hypersign provides easiest and fastest way for the dApps to verify and onboard their users. That's it for this demo. Thank you so much for listening to us.